Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Steam games just refuse to launch, maybe they crash right after hitting play or simply don't open at all, don't worry. In this quick 2025 full guide, I'll walk you through every reliable fix step by step so you can get back to gaming in no time. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Steam app. Before we dive into anything technical, make sure you're logged into your account and that Steam itself is running properly. Sometimes, the simplest solution really is just a quick restart of Steam or your PC. So go ahead and try that first if you haven't already. Now, once Steam is open, head over to your library. Find the game that's giving you trouble, right-click it, and select Properties. From there, click on Installed Files and hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. What this does is scan all your game files and replaces any that are missing or corrupted. This single step fixes a huge chunk of launch issues for most users, so it's definitely worth doing first. If the problem sticks around, don't worry. We've got more fixes. Head to the top left corner of Steam, click Steam, then go to Settings Arrow Downloads. Here, click Clear Download Cache. This clears out temporary data that can sometimes interfere with updates or cause launch errors. Once you clear it, Steam will restart and ask you to log back in. That's totally normal. Now, if your game still won't launch, let's make one more important tweak. Close Steam completely, then right-click on your Steam shortcut, or wherever you have it installed, and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and also check Run this program as administrator. These settings help Steam and your games communicate better with Windows and often fix performance or launch problems caused by permissions or display issues. Click Apply, then OK, reopen Steam, and try launching your game again. By now, your game should finally start up without issues. And that's it. You've just gone through the most effective ways to fix Steam games not launching in 2025. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and drop a comment below, letting me know which game was giving you trouble. Thanks for watching, good luck, and happy gaming.